Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix can't hear anyone on Discord. All right, so let's begin with the video. If you're experiencing this problem, it can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to communicate with someone but can't hear them. This can happen in both server voice channels and private calls. And the steps to fix it are the same in either case. To begin, exit Discord temporarily and go to the bottom right corner of your computer screen. Find the sound or speaker icon, right-click on it, and select Sound Settings. Alternatively, you can open Settings manually. Go to System and then click on Sound. First, make sure your output device is set correctly to your speakers or headphones. Then, check that the volume is not muted or set to 0 and unmuted if necessary. After adjusting this, return to Discord and see if the issue is resolved. If you still can't hear anything, right-click the speaker icon again and open the volume mixer. Look under the Apps section and make sure Discord's volume is not muted and is set to an appropriate level. If everything looks fine, close the mixer and go back into Discord. Click on the Settings icon in the bottom left corner to open User Settings. From there, scroll down and select Voice and Video. Scroll to the bottom and click on Reset Voice Settings. Then confirm. Discord will reload, and you'll need to go back into voice and video settings again. Once there, ensure that the correct output device is selected under the speaker option and that the output volume is set to 100%. After that, return to your call and check if you can hear others. If the issue continues, right-click on the users in the voice channel and make sure they are not muted. You should also increase their individual user volume if it's set too low. If none of these steps work, it's possible the issue might not be on your end. The other person's microphone could be muted or not working properly, so it's worth confirming with them or testing with other users. Following these steps should help resolve the problem and get your audio working again. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix can't hear anyone on Discord. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.